back to our vegan kitchen. It is Veganuary day 12. Got a great recipe for you today. This is a one-pot rice cooker.
It's a dump.
This is a one-pot rice cooker pilaf. So we've got some beautiful basmati rice already in our rice cooker. I measured out 3 cups with the little scoop that they provide you for the rice cooker, which is not actually a cup. It's like 3/4 of a cup. So if you're following along without a rice cooker, I would just round it up to like 3 regular cups of rice, and however much liquid you would put with that normally. I'm going to follow the rules of the rice cooker, and I'm gonna go with white rice and fill my liquid up to a 3. So instead of water, for extra flavor, I'm going to be using some beautiful organic vegetable cooking stock. This is gonna give it a lot of flavor. So we're just going to fill it up until it reaches the 3 level on here. And you want to do this first if you're using the rice cooker, because once you start putting the other stuff in, you're going to not get the correct measurement, and your rice is not going to be the right amount of doneness. Next, I'm going to be putting in the spices. We've got some granulated onion, or if you want to use a fresh onion, go right ahead. All I had was red onions, and I didn't want to put a red onion in this, so we're using granulated onion, a teaspoon, some thyme, and some sage. So those are going to go in. We're also going to put in 3 tablespoons of vegan butter for flavor, for mouthfeel. You know, you got to have a little oil in there, I think, with the rice. It makes the mushrooms taste a little bit more velvety. So we're going to go like 3 tablespoons. Or 2.5. I mean, you could leave it out if you want, but it takes it to the whole nother level. I've also got 2 ribs of celery that I've chopped up, and make sure you leave the leaves on it, because that gives it a whole nother flavor dimension as well, as opposed to just the body of the celery. We had a runaway. Don't worry, we'll be taking you back to jail. Now I have shiitake mushrooms. This is just what I had on hand. You can use white button mushrooms. You can use portobello mushrooms. Whatever you like. Whatever mushrooms you like. This is a 10-ounce package. And I'm going to use it all. I'm going to mention it all in here. And I like to buy these pre-sliced and pre-washed and everything, because ain't nobody got time for that.
That's right.
I'm a modern woman with 10 jobs. Yes, it's not all in there, but these are going to shrink down. And we're going to open up the rice cooker halfway through and give it a good stir as well. So don't worry that everything's not submerged. It'll be okay. So I'm going to take this over to my rice cooker. And I'm just very simply going to put it on white rice setting, which it's already on. And at the 30-minute mark, we'll give it a good stir. All right, it has been 1 hour, and I flip, I give it a little diddly-do at 30 minutes. And here we go.
Looks beautiful.
Why, thank you. It's ready to be served. The rice is perfectly cooked. It's not sticking together. The mushrooms are perfectly done, not like overdone and gross. And the celery, hopefully, is not crunchy. It's almost like a stuffing.
Yeah, it kind of does
right?
look like stuffing.
It smells like it too, because of the sage in there. So we're going to serve some up, see what Maddie thinks. All right, looks pretty hot.
I'm ready to burn my mouth.
Well, just blow on it. Get all the goodness.
Oh, it smells so good.
Doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It smells like my dad's stuffing. Make sure you blow on it.
I know. Alright, I'm gonna go for it.
Alright.
Mmm.
Yeah?
Yes. Mushroomy.
Yeah. And mushrooms are so good for you.
Mmm. It's a real mushroom Sally.
Yeah. It doesn't need any salt or anything, does it? Because the
I don't think so.
The veggie stock was salty enough, so I didn't want to add any added salt.
Yum, and it's so easy too.
You just
put it in
dump
the
and
rice
go.
cooker.
You just dump and go.
Yum.
Set it and forget it. But don't forget
to stir it halfway through.
Yeah. Well, enjoy. We're going to be having this with some crispy chicken nuggets and a nice salad.
Excellent.
I hope you guys give it a try. It's simple. It's quick. You can even put that on a salad like the next day, cold, like a rice salad.
Yep.
And it's pretty versatile. If you don't have mushrooms, you can put some other vegetable in there that you'd like to put in there. Maybe a whole onion would be nice too. So I hope you guys join us for the rest of Veganuary. We really appreciate it. Subscribe so you are informed of the next time we upload. And until next time, much love.